breaking the fire alarm system, expelled.
Everybody, go get your chemistry science books and we will do an experiment. Okay everybody, this is a fire drill, let's go out.
I am going to do this for my own good.
Get into my office this very instant. Cooper, we all cannot believe you would do such a very bad thing like this, breaking the fire alarm system. This is a very serious thing. People need fire alarms. It goes off to let us all know if there is a real fire.
Principal, can you just make the alarm more quieter? It is making my ears drip blood.
I understand that it's startling for you, but it's the law that the fire alarms need to be loud. I am very disappointed in you. You are officially expelled from Go Animate High School.
What? No, you can't do that. I have lots of friends here. I can't be expelled.
Then maybe you shouldn't have broken the fire alarm. Now get out of my office, out of my school, and out of my life.
Well Cooper, it was nice knowing you.
So, we decided on your lifetime punishment.
We are sending you away to that school. You are going to live there.
You got to be kidding me.
We're not. We had it this time. This family cannot stand someone that is naughty. So go pack up your stuff. We called the school and you are leaving first thing tomorrow.
You may visit us for holidays.
Yes guys.
Poor Cooper. He must be very sad that he is not coming back here.
Excuse me, Warren. Is this your knapsack? It was found right under the fire alarm. Inside my office now, we are going to talk about this.